When your TimeWorn Wood freight delivery has arrived, it's important that you follow the included receiving instructions before signing the Bill of Lading, or BOL. The receiving instructions will be emailed to you and attached to the crate for added convenience. We also send a photo of the crate before it was shipped to all customers. Please refer to this picture and confirm that the crate still looks the same when it arrives. Before you start the inspection, please confirm that the tracking or Pro number on the BOL and the crate match. It's your responsibility to inspect the crate for any damage that may have happened during delivery and make a note of it on the BOL. Depending on the size of your order, expect to spend between 10 to 30 minutes to unload and inspect your delivery. Before unloading any crate, perform a visual inspection. Large crates may need to be inspected and hand unloaded from inside the truck. We recommend having at least one helper for this process. If the crate is damaged, do not remove any part of the crate's paneling or framing. Take pictures of the damaged areas. Even if you suspect that the crate may have been minimally damaged during transport, make a note on the BOL and photograph the suspected areas. After you take photos, you can begin by removing the paneling and removing the contents from the crate. You'll need a T25 Torx bit to remove the screws. Next, inspect the tabletops for any visible damage. Remove the shrink wrap that is surrounding the tops. If the tops are damaged, take photos and make a note of it by simply writing "damaged" on the BOL. You should also immediately call TimeWorn and notify them should there be any damage. When you have completed your inspection, have the freight driver initial beside your notes. After the driver signs the BOL, you can go ahead and sign the BOL. If the driver is not able to wait for the inspection, indicate on the BOL that the contents were not inspected. Remember, it's your responsibility to make sure all damage is documented on the BOL. If you have any questions, please call TimeWorn Wood at 320-974-3113.